Okay, let's move on to the safety and, well, technically pistol grip. They go in at the same time. So we've got our safety selector, we've got our pistol grip bolt and washer, the detent pin for the safety, and the detent spring for the safety. So this is actually quite easy to get together. Drop your safety in, or I should say, sorry, safety selector in, like so. Okay, and then you're going to flip it over, and in this hole right yonder on the side, you're going to drop in your detent pin pointed. You'll see your detent has a pointed end and a flat end. So we're going to put the pointed end in first. And then don't try to put your spring in here. In fact, that is not the proper spring. That spring is for the detents, for the takedown pins. The thicker spring, you can see it's a bit thicker and a little bit shorter. So that's the one you want for the safety. So we can't go in. The trick is put it into the hole into the pistol grip. And then all you're going to do is take your pistol grip, slide it up on in there. Now I absolutely love these Fix-It Sticks toolkits. There should be a 10% code in the below there in the description, so you can get yours. I love these things; they're fantastic. Anyway, you just got to basically now get this guy to go into that hole underneath. Make sure it was going in there. And then she is. Quick check. It's on safe, pull the trigger, good. Put it on fire, pull the trigger, hammer goes forward. Safe, voila. And that's it for the safety. Quick and to the point, and the pistol grip. Do us a favor, help support a small veteran-owned business and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell, let you know when other videos coming out. We're doing these shorter videos, part by part by part, for an entire AR-15 assembly and disassembly afterwards. And then there will also be a full-length video for the whole process from end to end. So stay safe out there and train hard.